My cough medicine's kind of spicy. Like, who decided it was a good idea to make cough medicine spicy? I miss the days of Calpol. I remember being a kid and I used to pretend to be sick just so I could get a spoonful of that sweet, sweet strawberry swabbery. So I could get a spoonful of that sweet strawberry flavored Calpol, and it was so good. But I think my parents were onto me because my parents started giving me Rannies whenever I said I had an upset stomach or headache or anything because I kept pretending to be sick so I could get Calpol.